In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a single calendar for multiple databases in Notion. If you've got tasks, events, or content scattered across different databases, this walkthrough will show you how to bring them together on one page so you can see everything at a glance and manage it more efficiently. First, open Notion and navigate to the page where you want your calendar hub to live. This could be a dashboard, a team page, or a fresh page you're setting up just for scheduling. Keeping this page easy to access will save you time later. Now add your first database view. Type /, then start typing linked database and choose create linked database. You'll see a search box that lets you pull in an existing database from anywhere in your workspace. Select the first database you want to include. By default, Notion might show it as a table view. No problem. Switch it to a calendar view by selecting calendar from the view options at the top. This gives you a date-based layout so items appear on the days they're scheduled. With that first calendar in place, repeat the same process for each additional database you want to include. Again, use the linked database command, pick the next database and change its view to calendar. Arrange these calendars on the same page, one below another or side by side if you're using columns. Consider renaming each view to match its source so you always know what you're looking at. Once your calendars are set, use filters and grouping to make them truly manageable. Filters help you narrow what shows up. For example, you might show only active items, only items assigned to you, or only entries in the current quarter. Grouping lets you organize calendar cards by an existing property like status, priority, team, or project, so related items are visually grouped and easier to scan. If your databases already use color-coded select properties, those colors will carry over and make your calendar much clearer. You can also tweak how cards display, choosing which key properties appear on each card to give you the right level of detail without clutter. From here, you've got a single page that centralizes calendars from multiple databases. You can jump between months or weeks, collapse sections you don't need right now, and quickly filter to focus on what matters today. This setup keeps your planning flexible while preserving the structure of your existing databases. Keep refining filters and grouping as your needs evolve, and you'll have a clean, reliable calendar hub that stays in sync with everything across your workspace.